In primetime news tonight, they're being outsmarted. Business people in St. Elizabeth say criminals ahead of the police in the parish. 70% drop rate. Security minister says high failure rate of males in schools fueling St. James crime. And police swoop down on businesses selling counterfeit goods in downtown.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Greater investment is needed in Jamaica. That call from head of the Economic Growth Council. The details on that and other business stories later in the business day.
And Karen Madden, what's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, here's something you have not heard very often in the 2019 ICC World Cup. To borrow from horse racing, the West Indies are in the winner's enclosure.
Wow.
I'll tell you all about that later.
Yeah, well, that's certainly very, very new.
Shocking. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what is your reaction to the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, that's PAAC, of Parliament's probe of sexual harassment claims at the Edna Manley College?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.